Hello friends, and welcome to DIY and Decor. I found this plain photo frame in the craft section of Dollar Tree. I really loved it. It is so unique and chic at the same time. You can do different kind of DIY with this kind of photo frame. You can make it boho, farmhouse, modern, or even luxurious glam look. So I decided to go with a very simple farmhouse look and adding a little bit white with some textures. I got this stencil from Dollar Tree. Or if you do not want to use the stencils, you can always go with the stickers. Stickers will also look so beautiful. To add some texture to this beautiful, simple photo frame, I will use foam beads and I will glue them around this frame using some paper glue from Dollar Tree. If you're new to this channel, you're most welcome. Please don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up if you liked it and share your ideas in the comment section with me. Subscribe and hit the bell icon to join the DIY and Decor family. And keep supporting me. I post new videos every single week. You can go ahead and check my previous videos, and when you'll hit the bell icon, you will not miss the videos in future. The second project is this beautiful metal planter from Dollar Tree, and I will use some labels to add some dimensions and texture to this planter. Plain planters looks beautiful, but if you will add some personal touch with it, it will always give you pleasure to see them and to grow your plants in them. So I will use the same stencil and will add some letters, and then we'll add a few of the Beverly chalk paint around it to give it a little bit farmhouse look. This project that I'm going to share with you in this video today is using these beautiful wood hanging decors. These are also from the wood section, the craft section of Dollar Tree, and they have different designs, but I really liked this kind of design because it goes with any kind of decor or styling idea that you will have in your mind. I will use it to give this a very farmhouse look. Once again, that is the style in my house, but this was really white, so I wanted to add a little bit color into it. So I'm adding Waverly chalk paint with some brown color and giving a little bit a stained look. I hope you enjoyed watching this video as much as I loved making them. I hope that I give you some idea how to decor your house with very simple Dollar Tree items. If you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and share your ideas in the comment section with me. See you in my next video.